5 little duck friends wake up bright, ready for a day of delight. Walking softly by the stream, starting a wonderful adventure dream. The little ducks flap their wings, singing happy little songs they sing, splashing water as they play, enjoying the sunny day. The ducks swim across the blue pond, following the gentle waves beyond. Little tails go wiggle, wiggle too, having fun with friends so true. They meet butterflies near the flowers, dancing through the colorful hours. Birds sing songs up in the trees, floating softly with the breeze. The 5 little ducks explore the land, walking together hand in hand, finding berries near the way, smiling through their happy day. A tiny frog jumps near the pond, singing a tune that goes beyond. The ducks laugh and dance around, making joyful nature sounds. The rainbow shines after the rain, colors sparkle across the lane. The ducks look up with happy eyes, watching colors fill the skies. The sun begins to go down slow, golden lights begin to glow. The ducks swim home side by side, ending their fun little ride. The moon appears with stars so bright, the ducks get cozy for the night. They rest together near the stream, dreaming of another happy dream. Good night, little ducks, sleep so sweet. Rest your tiny happy